Yo, what up everybody? So if there's one thing I know for sure is that people absolutely love videos where they get shown products that they can sell. I mean, there's people dropping these kinds of videos literally on the daily. And while I'm sure these videos are super helpful, today I want to review some unique products that you can sell from the customer's point of view. That's probably pretty confusing. You'll understand in a second. So there's this big trend on YouTube, and not really YouTube, but mainly TikTok, where people show off their brands or their products that they've bought that are super life-changing. And I always thought, man, these are actually really good product ideas every time I see videos like that. For example, here, this person uploaded a bunch of small business check TikToks onto YouTube, and this was like 4 months ago, and it's already almost at 3 million views. So people really love to see other people's small businesses, and I figured you guys have been really liking these sort of reaction content videos. I always pick good stuff for us to watch, and today's no exception. We're gonna be finding these products through a TikTok made me buy it from Amazon compilation. A lot of you guys probably know that a lot of the products on Amazon actually are similar to products on AliExpress, and chances are they may or may not use the same suppliers. So most of these products you can easily find on AliExpress, and we'll definitely do that in this video so that you can order them for cheaper and start your business. Now, if you're thinking, why would somebody buy something from me as opposed to Amazon? Well, that's a really good question, but there's actually a pretty simple answer, and it's because of the brand. People want to feel connected to the brands, and unfortunately Amazon is like a huge behemoth of a company, and while it is extremely convenient and really does take up most of the market when it comes to e-commerce sales at this point, people still want to shop from small brands and get that like personal connection, and that's where you come in. You know, you got to treat your business really seriously and really make your customers fall in love with your brand as well as your products, and that's the difference. So without further ado, let's watch some of these product ideas, and then we'll look for them on AliExpress later.
Things I bought after seeing them on TikTok. This is called the Gyro Bowl. It's designed to keep your kids' snacks upright no matter which way they twist or roll or turn. It has easy grip handles on the side and comes with a travel lid. You can find this on Amazon for just $11, and it comes in different color options.
That was actually pretty sweet. I've seen that product before, but she presented it in a way that I really loved. And honestly, these are all really great ad ideas as well. So if you do have a small business, maybe drop shipping or whatever it is, this is a great way to make ads, like almost like you're the user.
Hey, so I'm gonna take it. Stop!
This is a diffuser. You just put some water and an essential oil of your choice. I put lavender in mine, and it makes my car smell like lavender. I also got these. They light up your drink.
Whoa,
got this
that's
really
pretty
cool thing for extra storage. It comes in a pack of 2. You just stick it in the side of your seat.
Oh, I've seen this product before.
It has this cord you plug in so that you can utilize these USB outlets. I love that it has an extra cup holder. I just put my hand sanitizer in there for now, my keys, and I got this trash can for my little wrappers. I also got this trash can for the back seat. I just hook it onto this. And there you go. This is a USB Starlight for your car.
Oh, this is really clever.
This hook for your bag so it's not sitting.
Here, let me look that up actually. That's a good product. Let's see. Car Starlight. Boom. Wow, this is actually a really good one. Well, this is a really cool product, I gotta say. I think this is a really good idea. I'll look up this green holder light. So these are it. That's very cool. I've never seen this before either. I think this is a really good idea as well. Nice. So we're actually getting some good product ideas from this.
In someone's lap. Goes like that, just like that. And a tissue holder. Literally changed my life. This cute little guy
that's
said
a good one
my
too.
phone case off so you can fit your pop socket in here. I'm really not sure why I got this, but it smells like cotton candy.
Those were really good. She did a good
Amazon
job.
Favorites, Part 15. This digital alarm clock with 2 charging ports. And this magnetic cable organizer. What do you keep on your bedside table?
Whoa. Magnetic cable organizer. Let's see. I've never seen magnetic cable organizers like that. I've only seen like these kinds. This is also pretty clever for your car. This is kind of an idea that just came up from that idea, but I think that's actually a good idea to have the cable holders on the sides of these. That's pretty cool. I really like that.
Random things I got off Amazon Part 20. This beauty organizer that is really
Part 20? Oh my god. That's gonna be me with this video. Before we know it, there's gonna be a winning products from TikTok Part 20. That's pretty funny. But hey, I guess if it works, double down, you know?
Really cute, but it's also multi-purpose because it's 3 little levels, so it takes up a lot less space. Next is my favorite hoodie ever. It says, "Dear person in front of me, I hope today doesn't suck. Lots of love, the person in front of you." I think it's so funny and cute, and it's really comfortable. One is perfect for when you wake up in the middle of the night really hungry and you want to go get a snack, so it's an automatic light and it sensors your motion and it'll turn on so you aren't afraid of the dark. The sensor and the lights just stick onto your bed, and this is a car trash can. It's amazing if you're messy like me. Next is the best thing ever. It's a pregnancy pillow, and no, I'm not pregnant. It's the most comfortable thing in the world. I mean, look at it. It's like a built-in boyfriend, but without all that stress and stuff.
That's a good added angle right there for the body pillow product. It's like a boyfriend, but without all the stress and stuff.
Never stop hyping these leggings up. They're the perfect Lululemon dupes. They're so comfy, and I love this color. Jewelry, guys, it makes your outfit like so much cuter, and I got all these 20 pieces for only $13, and it's so cute. I thought this one was
$13? Those are probably made out of cardboard or something. I'm just kidding, but damn, that's a lot of jewelry for $13. I can't imagine it being good quality.
For quarantine, it's the top 100 movies list, and then you just scratch it off once you finished it, and basically it's like a list, and they have like date ideas and things like that.
Oh, that's such a good idea.
And then you just scratch it off once.
I like that, and the reason why I like that so much is because people are watching so many movies right now with the pandemic still going on. That's very clever, especially since movie addicts or movie connoisseurs, I don't know what you'd call them, film people, they're a very passionate niche. So something like this, you know, I'm sure a lot of them, they've already seen those movies, so they get to scratch off things like right away. This is a very, very clever product. I think this could definitely go viral.
Once you finished it, and basically it's like a list, and they have like date ideas and things like that. This is a reusable straw that just hooks onto your keychain, and the straw and the cleaner comes out. I got plain cornhole boards that I decided to paint, and I think they turned out really cute. Okay, bye.
These are always so chaotic.
Things that I didn't know that I needed from Amazon, but TikTok made me buy it, part 6. So I found this 4-in-1 travel dispenser. I thought this was a great product because in case you guys do travel or whatever it may be, you can actually carry all your essentials that you need, like your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, you name it. All you have to do is twist the top and then you dispense what you need. And the great thing is it comes with labels. That's awesome. Also comes in different colors.
Pretty cool. I mean, I've seen that before, but a bit of an underwhelming product in my opinion, but definitely helpful, especially if you mix it in with some of those other car products that we saw.
Did anybody else buy castor oil in hopes of growing their lashes and brows and could never find a good way to apply it? I always tried using Q-tips and I globbed the oil on so thick. I was not with it until my best friend told me about these that I got off of Amazon. It comes with some funnels, whatever these things are called, stoppers, and then the empty mascara tubes and wands. So let's try it out together. The first thing I did was put in the funnel and started funneling in the castor oil. I feel like one of those lip gloss brands that shows how they make their products. And definitely leave a little bit of room at the top so that when you put the wand in, it doesn't completely overflow. It's crucial to put the stopper on there because this is what is going to really control the amount of castor oil that's going onto your lashes. You never want too much because then it can honestly be hard to see. And again, I got these off of Amazon. I think they were around $7. The link is in my bio. Really cool. Let's see if it grows my lashes.
I like that because, you know, it makes it really easy to actually start your own business. I'm thinking of all these from like a business point of view, obviously, and I could see like if I was gonna build like a lash brand or like a lash serum oil brand or something to help people grow their lashes, you know, I could easily just buy a whole bunch of these like empty dispensers, buy a whole bunch of the castor oil like in bulk or whatever that she was just showing, and fill them up myself, add my own label and stuff, and basically have my own private label brand with my own serum recipe or whatever and own packages. That's actually really, really cool. Wow, these are inspiring. I actually like this.
It is.
Another random thing I bought on Amazon. This has a few features that I really like. First, that you just turn it on and you can connect it to your phone with Bluetooth. Second, this stand fits an iPhone or iPad perfectly, and this keyboard makes me so much more productive.
Oh, what? That's really cool.
Brianna's Amazon favorites part 1. I cannot put into words how much I love this little cloud key holder. It holds a ton of weight, especially with my heavy set. And honestly, once we installed this, we noticed we don't lose our keys in the house anymore. And I think it's just because it's like that fun little thing that you look forward to using. Also, our guests are always fascinated over it and it looks adorable up.
That was really cool. That was a good scroll stopper, the way that she like
and I think
threw the keys. Let's see if I can find it.
Brianna's Amazon favorites.
That is a scroll stopper right
part
there.
1. I cannot put into words how.
Okay, I'll skip that again.
Over it and it looks.
It's under $15. This pink and white tabletop organizer, this mirror with a built-in LED light, a no-touch door opener, Add it to your
These are
keychain
pretty
and use it for
basic.
touchscreens and opening doors while you're out. A bracelet set, an organizer for your remotes that sticks to the wall, a tabletop vacuum for crumbs, a sunglass holder for your
that's
car,
a good one.
these super cute designer-inspired sunglasses, foldable clothing hangers to use when you travel, a wireless charging pad for your phone, this expandable tray for organizing, and mini spoons for coffee.
Early Amazon must-haves that you need. Blush iPhone stand and this Wake Me Up for Mimosa sleep mask. This silk comforter. These aqua blue silk pillowcases. This mermaid pearl nightlight.
Oh,
This
that's kinda
marble
cool.
organizer for your brushes.
I know that mermaid stuff is also like a really passionate niche, and the reason why I know that is not because I'm very passionate about mermaids, but because one of my first winning products was a mermaid brush set, just like this brush set right here, but it was like mermaid ends. And I think I've talked about it before in a video, but yeah, that was my first winning product if you guys didn't know. So mermaid stuff is always booming. I don't know, people just love mermaids.
And it's so fun because you could watch videos on your iPhone sitting right here while you do your makeup. These gold and cream Latteray inspired brushes. This fake Cartier bangle. Agent Provocateur inspired silk pajama set. An eye cream applicator. This toothbrush holder along with these exfoliating head applicators and these spatulas
Oh, those
for
are
face
cool.
masks. This Himalayan sweet almond oil scrub. This beautiful gold Keurig. Glass straws and rose gold metal straws. Milk frother. These cute wine glasses, they come in a set of 4
Jeez,
and
her
they're
whole
so
house
cute
is
for your
Amazon
whipped coffee.
inspired or
This
whatever.
storage spinner for your Keurig cups.
That is crazy.
Amazon favorites, part 27.
Part
This acrylic
27? That is so crazy.
tissue
to me.
box. This organizer for Q-tips and cotton pads. The cereal dispenser is a fun way to grab
Oh,
your
that's
breakfast
pretty
every
cool,
morning,
actually.
and it looks
I
really
like
cool on
that.
your countertop. These glasses for coffee drinks or smoothies.
I've been drinking a lot of cereal lately, so that's a good one.
This Himalayan scrub is an amazing exfoliator that I use all over my body. And lastly, this brush to lengthen and separate my eyelashes.
Oh, what was that?
And lastly, this brush to lengthen and separate my
That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen that. I don't really use any of this stuff, so I'm not exactly sure if this is a winning product or like a good product to sell, but you know, she says it's a really good product, so I'm gonna take her word for it. You know, for next time, I'll definitely try to find something that's more gender ambiguous. These definitely are more girly products, but that doesn't matter. I mean, we don't discriminate based on gender in this channel. Come on now, it's 2020, almost 2021, so let's just continue watching.
eyelashes.
All right, let's see.
Amazon favorites, part 20. This pink sleeve, it helps protect and store your laptop. This handheld frother helps you make the perfect cappuccinos or lattes at home. All you have to do is pour the amount of milk that you want, put the frother in the milk, let it do its job, and then pour the creamy milk into your coffee drink. This set of jeweled headbands. These pretty trinket dishes are great for storing and displaying my jewelry on my vanity. The speckled one is great for smaller pieces, and this longer gold one can store a lot. And lastly, this leopard notebook. It's great for writing your to-do list or your grocery list. Like for part 21.
Random things I got off Amazon part 23. Some glass straws. I mean, they look cute. They're good for the environment. It's a win-win, and they come with a little cleany stick thing. This really cute light blue workout top. I buy these in hopes that it'll give me motivation to work out, but you know, we'll see. I really like the back on this one though. The makeup brush. I really love how this one blended out.
That's actually a really good, oh wait, hold up. That's actually a really good angle for something like that. Like cute workout clothes that'll motivate you to work out because they're cute. I guess that's an interesting angle.
It'll give me motivation to work out, but you know, we'll see. I really like the back on this one though. The makeup brush. I really love how this one.
Some of you loyal subs can probably recognize this product. I did my 24-hour dropshipping challenge on this product, and we did make it profitable in the first 24 hours, so the challenge was definitely a success. I'll link that in the description or something if you guys want to watch that, but this is the exact product that I used.
Blended out my foundation. I think it looked really natural and all like cakey. Yeah, 10 out of 10 purchase. Am I the only one who never knew inflatable chairs existed? Well, here's one that my brother uses to game on. Yeah, that's fun. I call this an on-the-go razor.
Oh.
I never knew I needed this my whole life. Like you can just pull it out if you missed a spot shaving, be like, okay, got it. No water needed. Really convenient for those times where you're like, I
What?
really need a
That's
razor,
so
but I'm not
cool.
at home. Or a disco ball because I was driving with my best friend. I was like, dude, we just need a disco ball. So here we are. I got it and I'm obsessed with it. A
That's
toothbrush
another good
dispenser. They
product
just make
idea,
me feel
I
a lot fancier than I really am. And you just put your toothbrush in, it dispenses the toothpaste. It also also has cups and a little rag holder. I don't know, I just find these really cool.
I've seen this product actually. I think I even had it on a list of products that I made. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I was gonna say that I really like all those car accessory products because they're just really unique and fun, but let's continue watching here.
If you get elastic stuck in your hair and then you try to cut them out with scissors but accidentally end up cutting a chunk of your hair, this is for you. Just hook the elastic and it breaks it and doesn't break any of your hair with it. Some skincare I've been loving lately. If you like hydrated, dewy skin, this is amazing and I've been obsessed with it. Okay, bye.
Car must-haves from Amazon. This pink trash can be clipped around your center console so you can
really
easily
like
throw away
this
any
one,
garbage that you might make.
That trash can. It was actually featured on an earlier clip in this video, and I actually think that's a really good one.
While you're driving. The material inside is really easy to clean, so it's fun for liquid spills too. I also love this clip that you can attach directly to the back of your seat. It's great for holding your purse or shopping bags you want to be able to easily grab. Like for part 2.
All right, well, that's basically wraps it up for this video then. This was part 1 of this series. I don't even know if I should call it a series. But yeah, let me know which product was your favorite and if you're going to be selling any of these or if any of these gave you any ideas. Y'all's feedback is literally like gold to me. It's worth more than gold probably. So I really appreciate you guys being a part of the channel and a part of the family. And if you're not a part of the family yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. And of course, drop a quick like so that I can stop liking my own videos for the YouTube algorithm. I'd really appreciate it. And with that said, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.